Boldt HVAC is a trusted expert in furnace repair, providing fast, reliable service to keep your home warm and efficient. Our skilled technicians quickly diagnose and fix issues, ensuring top performance. For quality repairs you can count on, call us today. What are common furnace problems? Common furnace problems include lack of heat, frequent cycling, unusual noises, and dirty filters restricting airflow. Issues like a faulty thermostat, ignition failure, or clogged ducts can also affect performance. For expert furnace repair, trust Boldt HVAC. How much does furnace repair cost? Furnace repair costs vary depending on the issue, ranging from minor fixes to major repairs. Factors like parts, labor, and system age can affect pricing. For a reliable quote and expert furnace repair, contact Boldt HVAC today. How to find reliable furnace repair services? To find reliable furnace repair services, look for experienced technicians, positive reviews, and licensed professionals who offer warranties. Boldt HVAC provides trusted, high-quality repairs to keep your home warm. Call us today. What are the areas near Eagan, Minnesota does Boldt HVAC provides furnace repair? Boldt HVAC proudly provides expert furnace repair services in Eagan, MN, and the surrounding areas. We serve nearby cities, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemouth, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield, Minnesota. Where is the Boldt HVAC Eagan, Minnesota located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 65130061145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.